Hi, I'm Charlotte Walmsley. I'm a French and Spanish student at Cardiff University. I'm here today as an Erasmus ambassador for the British Council, and this afternoon we've just been talking generally about the ways we can improve the programme, but more than anything, the ways that we can encourage more people to get involved, particularly young people, and how to kind of increase the breadth of the programme in terms of attracting people from different disciplines. I was speaking generally with other modern languages students, so we all had quite a similar experience. We were very well supported at Cardiff University by their Erasmus office, which obviously liaises with both the university and the EU more generally in terms of the Erasmus programme, and we all agreed that more needs to be done to attract people from other disciplines, in that the Erasmus programme is often viewed as more of a linguistic programme rather than perhaps something that broadens your horizons in terms of your politics, in terms of your global understanding of Europe. So we felt that we needed to get more people involved, be that through encouraging more people to study languages through like the Lifelong Learning Centre, or also through just getting people to study in other countries where there is actually teaching offered in English. So we felt that there was a lot to be done in terms of broadening the programme, because we've all had such positive experiences and now are very kind of pro-Europe, pro-European Union and all of its institutions. So we really want to spread that message. It's been interesting to speak to people to see where our knowledge is and also where the blind spots are, in that there are areas where we need to kind of increase knowledge about the programme, and there are a lot of people that don't know as much about Erasmus as a programme, don't know where the funding is, and that's a real problem because there's so much offered for students, for Welsh students and British students more generally, that we need to kind of spread the word and get more people doing these things that will really help employability and kind of create links with other European universities and companies. And it's a very flexible programme, and there's a lot of things on offer that we need to speak more about, really, and that's why we came here as Erasmus ambassadors and speaking to people involved in the Welsh Assembly and also kind of businesses and universities. There's a lot we need to do, really, just to spread the word, because the programme's such a great thing.